390 and today is 3rd of December. It's a Saturday, yeah, and today's vlog is about this. Now many of you wondering then what is this? So for your information, this is a dual purpose spool slider, or you can say it's a trash guard for a rear side of your bike. So I ordered it from Moto Effects. So installing a spool slider in your Duke or RC, it is not a big task because KTM already given a slot for fixing this part. Let me show you the place where you can actually fit this slider. So this is my beauty standing and taking rest. Now I will show you where you can actually fit this slider. So as you can see, there are two slots. So either you can fix your slider over here or you can fix your slider over here. There are two slots KTM given to you. So according to this part, it won't get fitted in this slot because this slot is comparatively small, but I can fit this in this slot because this slot is comparatively bigger. Look at this. So I can easily fix it. You must be thinking it's a very simple task, but the main problem arises from here only. In this part they have given this bolt, and the size of this bolt is 9 mm Allen key, and the problem begins from here. There is no 9 mm Allen key, so the problem rises from here. I mean, I have a 10 mm Allen key in my toolkit, but I doesn't have 9 mm Allen key in my toolkit. So for a very small mechanism, I have to catch my mechanic. So this is the worst part of this video.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. You like a